Here's how to fix WhatsApp update problem in case it's showing can't install WhatsApp or this version of WhatsApp became out of date or has expired. First, let's start with the error saying can't install WhatsApp. If you're seeing this error, it most definitely means your phone is out of storage. So simply clear up storage by uninstalling apps, clearing cache, or deleting some files. And if it says your WhatsApp version is out of date, then first of all, just open the App Store or Play Store and make sure your WhatsApp doesn't show any updates pending. If it's updated, but it still shows the error, then next, a fix that has worked for a lot of users is changing back the device's date by 2 days from the date that's shown on the error message. But if you're still getting this error, then you can try tapping on the download button, which will take you to the WhatsApp APK download page. So just download the APK file, and then you'll get the update pop-up, tap on it, and you should be able to manually install the update. But if you're still stuck, then the option you have is uninstalling WhatsApp and reinstalling it, which will remove all your data, and if you don't want to do that, you can wait for WhatsApp to fix it. But if you have a local WhatsApp backup, then you can fix this without deleting your data. So to do this, open your File Explorer and you need to search for the Android folder. Then go to Media and here you'll have the com.whatsapp folder. What you need to do is copy this whole folder and move it to somewhere else. To remember it, I'll just create a new folder so it's easy to find. Now copy your WhatsApp folder, and in case you have a lot of local backup, this may take a while. After you have copied all your data, you can safely uninstall WhatsApp. Now reinstall WhatsApp, but don't open it. Before that, you'll need to open your File Explorer, then copy back the WhatsApp data inside the media file. From the pop-up, click Replace, and finally, you can open back WhatsApp safely. Now just follow these setup prompts and sign in with the same number, and now you'll get the pop-up to restore local backup cause we pasted it. So now you have fixed the error without losing any data of your WhatsApp. So that's how simply you can fix this. Let us know your feedback and stay tuned for more.